We'll guide you through how to make table in OneNote. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start button on your computer taskbar and typing OneNote into the search field. Select the OneNote application from the search results and wait for it to open completely. Open an existing notebook or create a new note page if you want to start with a blank workspace. Navigate to the page where you want to insert the table and click anywhere on the page to place the cursor in the desired location. Next, select the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of the OneNote window. Locate the Table option within the Insert tab and click the Table drop-down menu to display the table grid. Move your cursor across the grid to choose the number of rows and columns you want your table to contain. As you move the cursor, the grid highlights the selected dimensions so you can easily see the table size before inserting it. Click the highlighted grid to place the table onto your note page. Once the table appears, click inside the first cell and begin entering your data. Press the Tab key on your keyboard to move to the next cell, making it easy to enter information without using the mouse. Continue filling the remaining rows and columns with your notes, numbers, or other content until the table is complete. If you reach the last cell and need more space, simply press Tab again, and OneNote will automatically add a new row to the table. If necessary, adjust the width of the columns by clicking and dragging the cell borders until the information fits neatly within each column. Review the completed table carefully to ensure all data is organized correctly and easy to read. Make any final adjustments to improve the layout or correct any mistakes before continuing with your notes. OneNote will automatically save and sync your changes while you work, so there is no need to save manually under normal circumstances.